It's 4:30 p.m. I'm only now doing stuff. So after 12 hours, I have no idea what we're going to do today. Probably just going to eat breakfast. Not breakfast, it's fucking 4:30. Lunch. You know, I still can't get over how great of a weekend this has been. A real killer weekend, if I'm being honest. Let's see, is there parking right here? Okay, time to get fat. I think this is the furthest I've ever drove in that one direction. There's Tacoman. What? All right, so I got two things. Fucking big ass pizza. I don't know if I've ordered too much or if I've ordered too much. I'm gonna be fat. This is insane. Oh. I think I'm gonna have to invest into like one of those lapel mics. I think the Rode mic Go thing, because I don't want to be dealing with copyrighted music, because that's the only thing about me being in a car. There's no way I can be in a car that's silent. What the fuck?
We're going lit. We're getting crazy tonight, bro. It's your goal. Fuck, I gotta drink again. Take a shot. You know what to do. It's helping to pay. Oh. The bed's made. That's the most important part. I don't know what you guys did on this bed.
That's that.
Yeah, this shit all in Cali. I was actually gonna run a music festival.
You wanna fuck on me?
No idea what we're doing. And I'm pretty excited to put this video together. I'm also scared that I don't have enough clips. I'm always afraid that I won't have enough clips. Hey, look up.
Full moon, cousin.
At least I'm
He's coming. He's coming. Full moon, who's coming?
Where are you gonna go anyway?
I need one also charger.
Cumulus cloud, cousin.
In this bitch.
Why?
I guess shower loud or whatever. No, you're fine, bro.
Yeah, you looked at.
I literally opened the door when you walked by. He's like, "What's up, bro?" I was like, "What's up?" And nah, you're good, bro. You're fine.
Call Zach out for security come.
Bro, what the fuck you listening to?
No, this is tune by the way, it is.
Oh, what, my phone's not connected.
It's fucking 9:50.
What's
the sound rules?
Luke.
After landing.
Oh, that's why.
This guy.
This guy's listening to my AirPods,
No
bro.
rules, cuz.
That's why this guy's on my fucking AirPod, bro.
It's been alright last day. I think, well, now that we're kind of off of a high, coming off of a high, kind of died down a little bit. Everybody else is drinking and I can't because I drove. I didn't want to do anything like that, but I mean, oh well. I'll be back here in a little over a month, so I have a ticket, like a voucher, so I'll probably use that when I come back here. It's 12:42 a.m. A little bit tired, and I say a little bit as kind of an understatement because I forgot where I frickin' parked the car. That's great. I only have 30 video clips as of right now for today of Sunday. Yeah, I'm a little concerned that I either might just not have enough clips for today, or I'm gonna have to smash today and Monday together. But I gotta make one more stop before I go back to the house and prepare everything. I gotta grab some stuff for 𝗧𝗺𝗃, do a check, pack everything, and then wake up the next morning and then order a lift and boogie. I found out there's something wrong with my Insta360. I'm not too sure what's going on with it. I just hope that it's not because I've been recording the entire time while I was gone and I just filled up the stuff or killed the battery or whatever the reason is. I was gonna record me driving down, well, just driving in general around Vegas, but shit. I'm probably just gonna switch this with the camera. Here you go, 𝗧𝗺𝗃. It's your shit. I'm supposed to be packing, but I'm still looking at the video of Max knocking out 𝗬𝗄𝗃𝗃. It's still such a crazy freaking thing that happened.